give?
The big one?
Yeah.
To that one.
To that one.
There you go.
Thank you.
You'll have a great day. You too.
You got your nuts? I just asked you Dave if he had a knife. But what's in there? Brittany, what's in there? Be careful.
You can give me some stuff if you want
Miss Kendra, I hope you're home. Yes. Brittany, open the thing. You can get to that in a minute. Brittany, say it louder, traffic.
She's so pretty. Thank you, Miss Kendra. I love her.
And we have known this for 2 months that she was go get her, and we all kept it quiet, even down to Miss Kendra, because she was asking Miss Kendra for pictures, and she told her that she was too sick to do pictures.
And then, believe it or not, I kept my mouth shut. That's hard.
Oh, oh.
daddy took the gifts inside, so it won't be so much for her. But we can go inside and do the gifts. The mailman even gave her a tour, but she didn't know what was going on.
Don't drop her. I just watched your show last night. Don't drop her.
Now she's going to open the presents. I will hold her and her daddy will do the filming. Let me get everything out first. Okay, now her dad's gonna do the filming.
Thank you, Miss Tammy. She's beautiful. I think she was talking about me. Okay, I can't read that good. Miss, what's her name?
Miss Kendra. Let's see what I can. Oh, I'll show the text message in a minute. Brittany, come on. Open.
Yeah, I'm not trying to rush a new parent, but you gotta be in Temple by 6. Alright, she said something about me. What did Miss Tammy say?
Hey, Brittany.
She said I was ugly.
You are beautiful too.
Well, it takes one to know one, so I know you're beautiful. That's some pretty colors, pink and purple. Man, I love that color. That is pretty. Think I can fit in that? Everybody that's watching this know that I can't shut up. So it's kind of hard for me to shut up about this.
And we've known it for from the beginning that she was getting her, but we all kept it quiet, even down to the artist that done her for her. Even down to her sister knew. And so did Miss Tammy.
Everybody knew.
Yes, everybody knew.
See, we all got a big mouth, but we don't want to keep it shut. Well, some of
You're
us.
the one that don't keep it.
Yeah, I'm gonna say some of us just gotta be just quiet as heck, and it's hard. So you gotta read this, cause I know I'm live, so everybody's reading.
Thank you.
Well, Della knows I know that I can't read. Or Tiffany. Right?
Yep. I go speaker in real fast so everybody can see her while her mama's opening gifts. This was what she got today. Now I go move her so everybody can see her gifts. Ah.
We hope you are
We hope you are surprised.
Yes, I am.
Oh, there's JR.
I am so surprised. But I don't have nothing for her.
She's a liar. She ain't got no room in her room for her.
A new packet. A cupcake. Ah!
Now I'm live and she's opening a present. There's some sprint cars in Bastrop. Watch the other thing.
No, that ain't what she meant. She did not mean it that way, Della.
I think cute.
I don't know.
Just open it.
Yeah. Like JR said, I'm so happy for you. That goes around your big.
I know what she said, but I know what she meant.
I don't know what's
I
going on.
love the stuff that my sister got. I'll take pictures and put it on Facebook. Love you, Della.
You gotta raise it up. Yeah, that's better. Can't see you. That's better. Now I can't see you. No, that's not good. Cover it back up.
But I love you, Della.
Miss Kendra,
Miss Kendra, I love you too.
Miss Tammy.
Miss Tammy,
Yep, she's on there too.
I love you. I hope you love her. She's so pretty.
Oh yeah, and Amber's on there.
Oh, hi, Amber.
Oh, she didn't say love you.
Love you, Amber.
How about your brother?
Love you, Bubba.
I don't.
But anyway,
Yeah, I do. Love all y'all.
But I love
Here-
everything that everybody got me. Everybody.
and thank you, Miss Kendra, for not saying nothing to her when she was asking and begging for pictures.
I'm so sorry for bugging you, Miss Kendra. I did not know nothing about you.
But we go in because we do have a temple trip we got to get ready for. Love you all.
And her name is Kinsley and Faye.